Hello children, hope all of us are doing good. The topic that we will study today is measurement, and we will learn about history of measurement, measurement of length, measurement of mass, measurement of capacity, measurement of time and measurement of mass. Now we need to measure things in our daily lives. Different things are used to measure different quantities such as mass and time. Let us learn more about measurement and different quantities. तो रोज़ की हमारी जो ज़िंदगी है उसमें कितनी सारी चीज़ों को मेजर करना पड़ता है और अलग अलग क्वांटिटीज़ के अलग अलग टाइप के मेजरमेंट होते हैं. Now let us first of all look at the history of measurement. Measurement is the way of finding the length, size और quantity of an object. किसी भी object की length, size या quantity हमें पता चलती है उसकी measurement से. In early times, people used different body parts for measuring length. Some of these are listed here. Cubit is the measure from your elbow to the tip of your fingers. Hand span or span is the measure from the tip of your thumb to the tip of the little finger of a fully opened palm. Then foot span is the measure from the big toe to the end of the heel. Similarly, fathom is the measure of the distance between the fingertips of the left hand and the right hand when both arms are kept outstretched. तो ये अलग अलग टाइप के बॉडी मेजरमेंट्स जो हैं ये पुराने ज़माने में यूज़ किए जाते थे. Now, however, measurements using body parts differed from person to person. अब हर किसी का लेंथ, विड्थ वगैरह साइज सेम नहीं होता, तो पर्सन टू पर्सन ये वाले मेजरमेंट अलग हो जाते थे. People had different lengths of body parts. What was 10 fathoms for one was 11 fathoms for another. Therefore, a need arose to have fixed quantities to measure things that would remain constant across the world. अब क्योंकि सबके बॉडी के मेजरमेंट्स अलग अलग होते थे तो सबके मेजरमेंट्स अलग अलग चीज़ों के अलग निकलते थे. ताकि सबके सेम रहें इसलिए एक फिक्स्ड क्वांटिटी को पकड़ लेते थे किसी भी चीज़ का मेजरमेंट निकालने के लिए. A unit is a fixed quantity that is used for measuring an unknown quantity. Unlike using body parts for measurement, a unit remains the same everywhere in the world. We have different units for measuring different quantities such as length, mass, time and capacity. तो यूनिट वो एक फिक्स्ड क्वांटिटी है जो किसी भी अननोन चीज़ के मेजरमेंट के लिए हम यूज़ करते हैं. और क्योंकि बॉडी पार्ट्स के तो मेजरमेंट अलग अलग हो सकते हैं लेकिन जो यूनिट है वो अक्रॉस द वर्ल्ड सेम ही रहता है. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट अस लुक एट द measurement of length. Length is the extent of something from one end to another. The unit commonly used to measure length is meter. It is denoted by the letter m. Other units of length include millimeter denoted by the letters mm, centimeter denoted by the letters cm and kilometer denoted by the letters km. The units to measure length can be changed from one to another. तो लेंथ जो है किसी भी चीज़ का एक सिरे से दूसरे सिरे तक का जो मेजरमेंट है वो होता है और इसके यूनिट्स क्या हैं? मीटर, मिलीमीटर, सेंटीमीटर वगैरह. नाउ 1 सेंटीमीटर इज इक्वल टू 10 मिलीमीटर्स, 1 मीटर इज इक्वल टू 100 सेंटीमीटर्स एंड 1 किलोमीटर इज इक्वल टू 1000 मीटर्स. तो लेंथ में जो यूनिट्स हैं हम एक से दूसरे में यानी कि मीटर से सेंटीमीटर में, मिलीमीटर से किलोमीटर में हम कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं. It is a fact. Distance is the length of the space between two points. The word length is used in the case of an object and distance for two objects. So, we say distance between Mumbai and Chennai and not length between them. Now, kilometer is used to measure long length such as the distance between two cities. Millimeter, centimeter and meter are used to measure relatively smaller length such as the thickness of a book, the height of a person and the length of a football field. The different devices used to measure lengths are a ruler, a meter rod and a measuring tape. अगर दो सिटीज़ के बीच का हमने डिस्टेंस मेजर करना है तो हम किलोमीटर लेंगे, लेकिन अगर हमने मान लो किसी चीज़ का या जगह का हमने लेंथ मेजर करना है तो उसके लिए हम सेंटीमीटर, मीटर ये सारी यूनिट्स को यूज़ करेंगे. और अलग अलग डिवाइसेस होते हैं अलग अलग टाइप की लेंथ या डिस्टेंस को मेजर करने के लिए. नाउ लेट अस लुक एट दिस सॉल्व्ड एग्जांपल. कन्वर्ट 5 meter into centimeter. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So 5 meters is equal to 5 into 100, that is 500 centimeters. Similarly, convert 565 meters to kilometer. 1000 meters is equal to 1 kilometer. So 565 meters is equal to 565 divided by 1000, which is equal to 0.565 kilometers. Now let us look at the measurement of mass. Mass is the amount of matter present in an object. The unit commonly used to measure mass is kilogram. It is denoted by the letters kg. Other units of mass include milligram, denoted by the letters mg, and gram, denoted by the letter g. The units to measure mass can be changed from one to another. तो किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट के अंदर जितना अमाउंट में मैटर है उसको उसका मास कहा जाता है. इसको हम ग्राम, मिलीग्राम, किलोग्राम वगैरह यूनिट्स में मेजर करते हैं. सो 1 किलोग्राम इज इक्वल टू 1000 ग्राम्स, 1 ग्राम इज इक्वल टू 1000 milligrams. So let us look at these examples. Convert 2 kilograms into grams. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. So 2 kilogram is equal to 2 multiplied by 1000, which is equal to 2000 gram. Similarly, if you look at this example, convert 5000 gram to kilogram. 1000 gram is equal to 1 kilogram. So 5000 gram is equal to 5000 divided by 1000, which is equal to 5 kilogram. Similarly, convert 5000 milligram to gram. 1000 milligram is equal to 1 gram. So 5000 milligram is equal to 5000 divided by 1000, which is equal to 5 gram. Now milligram and gram are used to measure small masses such as the amount of medicine or amount of gold. Kilogram is used to measure large masses such as the mass of a person or the mass of a suitcase. The device used for measuring mass is called a weighing balance. Think, Meera bought 1 kilogram of sugar. Do you think she will need a bag to carry it, or can she just put it in her pocket? Now let us look at measurement of capacity. The capacity of a container is the amount of liquid it can hold. मतलब कोई भी कंटेनर कितना लिक्विड होल्ड कर सकता है वो उस कंटेनर की कैपेसिटी है. The commonly used unit of capacity is liter. It is denoted by the letter L. Other units of capacity include milliliter, denoted by ml, and kiloliter, denoted by the letters kl. The unit to measure capacity can be changed from one to another. Now let us look at these solved examples. Convert 5000 liters to kiloliter. 1000 liter is equal to 1 kiloliter. So 5000 liters is equal to 5000 divided by 1000 kiloliters, which is equal to 5 kiloliters. Similarly, convert 2 liters to milliliter. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. So 2 liter is equal to 2 multiplied by 1000, which is equal to 2000 milliliter. So 1 kiloliter is equal to 1000 liters. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. To measure smaller capacities such as liquid medicines, milliliter is used. To measure slightly larger capacities such as water in a jug, liter is used. To measure even larger capacities such as water or oil in a tank, kiloliter is used. The devices used for measuring capacity are measuring cup and measuring cylinder. Now let us look at measurement of time. The period or interval between two events is called time. मतलब दो events के बीच का जो interval है उसको हम time कहते हैं. The commonly used unit for time is second. It is denoted by the letter S. Other units of time include minute, denoted by the letter MIN, and hour, denoted by the letter HR. The units to measure time can be changed from one to another. So 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. If you look at this example, convert 3 hours into minutes. So 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, 3 hours is equal to 3 multiplied by 60, which is equal to 180 minutes. Now very short durations or periods of time, such as the time taken to blink your eyes or your pulse rate, are measured in seconds. Longer durations of time, such as the time taken to boil an egg or to brush your teeth, are measured in minutes. Even longer durations, such as the duration of a movie or of a school day, are measured in hours. Now the devices used to measure time are wristwatches, wall clocks, and stopwatches. Now let us look at the measurement of temperature. Temperature is the measure of how hot or cold an object is. कोई भी object कितना गर्म है या कितना ठंडा है ये हमें उसके टेम्परेचर से पता चलता है। The commonly used units for measuring temperature are degree Celsius, also called degree centigrade, and degree Fahrenheit. The unit degree Celsius is denoted by the symbol degree C and unit Fahrenheit by the symbol degree F. The relationship between degree Celsius and degree Fahrenheit is 0 degree Celsius is equal to 32 degrees Fahrenheit. So 100 degrees Celsius is equal to 212 degrees Fahrenheit. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius and freezes at 0 degree Celsius. The device used to measure temperature is called a thermometer. तो हम temperature measure करते हैं thermometer से. It is a fact. The normal body temperature is 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit or 37 degrees Celsius. Now let us take a quick recap. Measurement is the way of finding the length, size or quantity of an object. A unit is a fixed quantity that is used for measuring an unknown quantity. Kilometer is used to measure long lengths such as the distance between two cities. Mass is the amount of matter in an object and the capacity of a container is the amount of liquid it can hold. So I hope that this chapter is clear to all and answering questions based on this chapter will now be easy.